Welcome to Petro Projik. Today we explain tensile testing, the main destructive test used to evaluate the mechanical performance of materials and welded joints. Tensile testing shows how a material reacts under a controlled tensile load. From this test, we obtain key mechanical properties such as ultimate tensile strength, elastic modulus, elongation, and reduction of area. These values describe the material's strength, stiffness, and ductility. The test specimen is prepared according to ASTM E8E8M, or ASME Section 9 with a defined gauge length. The sample is placed inside the tensile machine, where a gradually increasing tensile force is applied until fracture occurs. During the test, the complete stress-strain curve is recorded. After fracture, the failure mode is examined to identify ductile or brittle behavior, which is critical for material and weld quality evaluation. Tensile testing is widely used for material certification, welding qualification, heat treatment verification, and quality control in industrial applications. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Petro Projik for more engineering and inspection content.